how to use feature that lets you post a multiple language version of statues. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use a multiple language version of statues on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And here scroll down and click on language, and now click on the last option, which is a feature that lets you post multiple language version of a statues. Wait for a second and now you can turn on or off this option. Write posts in more than one language. Click and turn on or turn off wherever you want and click on save. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.